Today's Sunday, August 17th. This is the 1971 Cadillac Eldorado right-hand rear and left-hand front power window motor, rebuilt, fully restored for my friend Nick in Texas. The left-hand driver's side 4-button cluster switch for the power windows and the power door lock actuating solenoid. So all these three units have been completely rebuilt and restored. And this is video number 3 out of a 3-video set. This is the assembly of the 3 different components in their final fully assembled embodiment. And I'm going to be doing a functional validation test under power. So we're going to start with the original power window motor. This is a heavy-duty, high-torque motor. So unlike the aftermarket ones, this has the exceptional torque necessary in order to effectuate the kinematic motion of the window up and down with ease. So we'll go ahead and apply power, and we'll be listening for both the raising and the lowering. So I'll go ahead and apply power to the raising mode. And now the lowering mode. Raising, lowering, and of course in its fully assembled state we have the sprocket gear, which gets inserted, just basically lays in place as such, locks into the involute, and I'll go ahead and test it so we can see the rotation. Reverse, raising, and lowering. Well, they pop out sometimes. Of course, that has nothing to do with the rebuild. That has to do with the function of the unit in terms of how it's actually assembled. Once in the car, it's held in place by the regulator. Okay, so that's the testing of the power motor. Now we're going to test the power door lock actuating solenoid, which has been completely disassembled and the solenoid changed out internally, and we'll go ahead and listen for that very strong snap. Extension, contraction, extension, contraction, extension, contraction, extension. Okay, and that's the power door lock solenoid. Lastly, we're going to test the 4-button cluster switch, and we'll be looking for the light bulb to come on. And we'll go ahead and apply power. We're going to start out with the electrical prongs that are specific to the front driver's side. So we'll go ahead and apply contact here and press the button. Raising of the front driver's side window, lowering of the front driver's side window. Now we'll go to the back. Raising of the left rear window, lowering of the left rear window. Now we'll go down to the passenger side. Raising of the right passenger window, lowering of the right passenger window, raising of the rear right passenger window, and lowering of the rear right passenger window. So we've tested all the modalities of the 4-button cluster switch. We've tested the power door lock actuating solenoid, and we've tested the right rear power motor. All this is for my friend Nick in Texas, and I'll be shipping these out on Tuesday as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the Eldorados from 1967 through 1978. 375,000 parts overall from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Sunday, August 17th. Thank you very kindly.